I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and brilliant now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Will you still love me when I'm not young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I'm not young and beautiful?
Kaya pinalaki ko siya yung aral na nasa Biblia, kaya yan. Siguro yan ay yung magiging yung maging ng mga kabataan, ehemplo, ganon. Kasi yan, mahinhin, maalalahanin, tahimik lang, di yan pag sinabi mo bang magbo-boyfriend yan, ayaw niyang pag-uusapan yan eh. Gusto niya talaga nasa tamang edad siya.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them
Happy birthday, Shannon. Ang hangad ko sa iyong pag-aaral ay ang makagraduate ka at makatulong ka sa iyong mga magulang at mga kapatid. Awis ko lang maging matagumpay ang buhay mo sa darating na panahon at maging napakabuting mong bata na malingap sa mga magulang at sana ang Diyos ay bigyan ka ng napakadaming swerte dahil napakabuti mo.
Who am I to disagree?
Birthday, Ate Shannon! I wish you the best in life and I hope that you grow old and stay beautiful.
Some of them want to use you.
Happy birthday, Ate Shannon! Woo! Sana graduate tayo with honor too!
Use you. Some of them want to be ugly.
Maabot mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo dahil sa mga pagsisikap. I love you.
Shannon, sorry kung wala kami sa tabi mo palagi. Kasi nga, alam mo naman yung pinag-usapan natin. Alagaan mo si Lola, si Nanay Seni. Dahil siya na lang yung mag-isa sa buhay niya. Wala na yung asawa niya.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I
Happy 18th birthday,
Shannon.
we love you!
Happy birthday, Shannon! I love you!
My arms will hold you, keep you safe.
Sana makapagtapos ka na yung pag-aaral at para matulungan mo ang mga parents mo, lola mo. So yun, have a good health and happiness.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be.
Shannon, salamat sa pagiging masunurin na bata. Lagi mo kami binibigyan ng parangal na surprise sa amin. Pero proud ako sa'yo kasi na-achieve mo yung gusto mo sa buhay.
Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my.
Dumarating sa buhay mo ang kalungkutan. Minsan, ang pagluha ay di mapipigilan. Minsan, sana ako'y di mo makalimutan. Nagmamahal ng walang hanggan.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever.
Sorry kung magkalayo tayo. Kasi, alam mo naman, walang kasama ang lola mo. Ikaw lang ang pwede. Kaya, salamat.
No matter what they say, you'll be here in my.
Ay, lahat ng tatahakin mo nandito kami ng pamilya mo, lalo na ng nanay mo. Hindi ka iiwan ni nanay hanggang tumanda ka. Happy birthday! I love you.
Just